let me say that I can't speak too much about Sarzamin as of now because there is still a while to go, and I will probably have another interview with you at that time to talk about the film. As far as trolls are concerned, I would say that trolls are trolls, and they will criticize you regardless of whether you have parents who are well known or not. But yes, we listen to them a little more when they're talking about somebody whose parents are well known, maybe. And as far as all these kids are concerned, I think, like we had that chance also somewhere down the line to grow. We were given given that time or maybe enough films to grow and, to become who we are. So I think, I think today it's like almost like a do or die situation for them, which they are very well prepared for. I have to give them that they are very well prepared for. But yes, maybe, we can be a little kinder. Longevity now means something else. Longevity now means something else. So my kind of longevity may not be there. That, whatever. But I think in this day and age, the great thing about all of these actors is that they will keep coming up with different kind of films, and they will do other things as well along with it. I'm saying it won't only be about movies for them. So their longevity might not be just movies. Their longevity might be in other things besides films as well. And I think that's really, really fabulous. They will eventually probably come up to one film in 5 years or maybe one film in 6 years. But they'll be doing other things along with it. Maybe running a business or being the head of. That's basically what I'm trying to tell you. And I think everybody is kind of understanding that portion, that they need to do good work and reinvent themselves. And I think for actors, it's very necessary to understand that you have to unlearn everything that you have learned earlier, and you have to keep doing new things, whatever they may be. It may not only be connected to cinema, or may not only be connected to being in front of the camera, to be put that.